Hello, this is Miss Thorson in the library, and I have a database I would like to tell you about that will help you with your 1920s project. You're going to go from the AHS website and you're going to click on Library. Once you get to the library website, you're going to go over to the right-hand side and click on Projects. This will take you to a projects website, and we have 1920s as one of our options. You'll click on the 1920s, and you can scroll down and you will click on this newspaper. This newspaper will take you to a database of historical newspapers. So these are actual copies of newspapers from the time period. So what you're going to do is you can search two different ways. The first thing is to click on Timeline. And as you can see, there are many eras in the United States during many involved in this database. You're going to click on the Roaring Twenties, and you're going to see that there are several subtopics. Now, let's say I'm interested in the Harlem Renaissance. I would click on Harlem Renaissance, and you can look through the articles that are available on the Harlem Renaissance during that time period. So let's say I want to look at Negro Migration North. This is from the New York Times. It's in 1925, and it's a one-page article. So I would click on Article Image, and this is a PDF version of the article that as it appeared in the New York Times in 1925. You can see that you can email it to yourself or print it. You can also click on Citation/Abstract, and it will give you the information that you need for the citation, and it also gives you a brief summary. Now, another way to search is just to go to Search and then to look at the search box. So I might want to type in Al Capone and get information about bootlegging, prohibition, gangsters. So I could click on that, and I will type that in and click Search. And then, as you can see, it breaks the information down in terms of decades. So the decade I'm going to focus on is 1920 to 1932. So I'll click on that, and it will take me to the newspaper articles that were available during that time period. So I might say asks Capone to leave. New York Times, 1928, one-page article. So I can click on that. And again, it will take me to that article from the New York Times. You can email it, print it, and get a citation abstract. So I hope that this resource is helpful. If you would like more information, you can email ahslibrary@k12albemarle.org, and it will go to both Ms. Kabarkas and myself, and we can help you with either usernames and passwords or to use this resource. Thank you very much.